prop's gonna disconnect while it's out in the middle of the lake, and that's just where it's gonna stay forever.
Gotta watch out for that algae. Tangle your shit up, homie.
Oh, dude, yeah, that algae going straight eat it up.
Go
Straight.
fly.
Right there. We got a landing right there. There's like little tadpoles in
Yeah.
there. No shit.
What's the range on that thing, dude?
Don't know.
Find out.
Hopefully better than like 4 feet. All right, here we go. Here we go. This is how you get AIDS.
Oh shit.
No shit, it actually does fucking float.
Nice.
I honestly didn't think that was gonna fucking work.
Taking on maybe a little water in the back.
Oh, it's got a bunch of epoxy back
Oh,
there.
okay, never mind.
I might be. Very well could be.
Oh, don't quit on me now.
Did the prop disconnect? Yep,
Yep.
prop disconnected.